Hey Jim, you seem a little excited. What's going on here?
Well, this guy has the ultimate large format camera with a digital back on it.
Just so happens to be here.
Yes,
he's
taking digital long exposure.
Telescope on the top. So that's the viewfinder. So he doesn't have to look through the camera. He looks through the viewfinder. Wow. But he's got a wide angle lens.
He's taking long exposure pictures, so don't kick his tripod or he will kill you.
Okay lah.
Okay, look.
15-minute exposure.
Alpha AR, Alpha Gon 4.0. I know.
这个可以要钻大圈。哦，32的，罗登斯德，哎，是罗登斯德 is the brand.
32. Yeah, that's why he's wrapping around like that. My widest is a 90mm.
Are you okay? Are you emasculated?
Yeah.
Have you been emasculated, Jim?
I feel like my dick is this small.
That guy has a big.
He's got a big camera dick.
He's swinging a big piece of cardboard there. There's always a bigger fish. There's always someone that's a little bit
More
better.
money.
Yeah. It's okay.
My fetish work is done.
But that's cool, right?
That's very cool.
Have you ever seen anybody with something like
I
that?
have never seen that. I've heard of that, but this guy's using it for the right shot.
Yeah,
that is an
golly,
amazing
this is
shot
perfect.
he's got.
Jim got his WeChat, right?
Yeah, I got his WeChat. Yeah.
Cool.
He's got he only has a few shots posted, but they're money shots.
They are money shots.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's doing it for work or just for fun.
I think he's getting some cake out of it.
Must be.
Yeah, I think he's making money.
Nice view. What happened to the shoulder, Jim? What happened to the shoulder?
What happened to the sidewalk?
We have no shoulder. We are in the road. Oh. Jeez Louise. This be dangerous. Dangerous. Yeah, Chongqing is an interesting city. Holy moly. Just a ton of lights. It's got some culture, it's got some hills, a little bit of everything here. I'm quite impressed. And just to kind of give you guys an idea of what happened with the flooding here, in the middle of July, I think, they had massive flooding. And if you can kind of get an idea, you see where this boat is sitting on the water. This entire area, you can tell, was completely submerged. I guess the water rose up a considerable distance. I mean, you can see all the sediment here from when the water kind of came up, deposited a whole bunch of junk, and then just laid it down as it went down. There's going to be some cleanup here that's going to have to happen. It would have been interesting to be here during that flooding time. Must have been pretty chaotic. So here I just went down the stairs onto the waterfront, and it's quite interesting. You can kind of see where the flooding went up to. Everything basically where these stairs are, which is just about up here. I'm 6'2", about 188 centimeters, and then you extend my arm up. I think that's about where the water was, and then if you go way down below, I mean, I'm I'm a good, I don't know, 3-4 meters off the ground, so it's double that. And you can see it's very dusty. It just kind of all the mud and everything and silt in the water came up. Not only that, but it probably washed all this silt down and just sort of made a mess of this whole area. The flooding must have been impressive, to say the least. Disastrous, to say the most.
This is what that dude was using.
Oh,
The wide pan. He had that scope on the top, but he had dropped the digital back on it.
and put a
4780. I'm gonna put that in my cart someday.
your wish list.
Someday.
All right, guys, I am sweaty, I am disgusting, and it has been a fantastic day.
Raws I shot as a burst.
I'm at a bar. I'm having a whiskey sour with Jim and Alex.
Oh, that's cool.
It's their last night here. They're leaving. They're going to go back. Well, Jim's going to go back to Ningbo, and Alex is going to go back to Wenzhou.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
And then I'm going to stay a few days and meet up with a guy named Lee Barrett and Ollie Barrett. And we're going to go and see the Three Gorges Dam. It's something they wanted to check out, so they let me know, if you plan to go, can we go with you? And I said, sure. So they'll be leaving, and then they'll be coming, and we'll take a new interesting turn, and we'll do some things for a few more days here in Chongqing. So far so good. Thank you, iChongqing, for interviewing us today. They interviewed us for a news story, and
This is like an afterthought.
thank you, Alex from Reportify Media, for connecting us all together. It's been a really nice event, and seeing some interesting sides of Chongqing and meeting some really nice people. So if you guys know me at all, you know I really enjoy that kind of thing. So take it easy, guys. JaYoe. Jim, JaYoe. JaYoe.
JaYoe.
Later. On the other side of the highway, there is a amusement park that has been abandoned. They say that this is sort of like urbex, urban exploring. You know, wow, this place is like a rundown diamond in the rough. All sorts of little rides. Kids used to have fun on these things, riding around. Think of the sights and sounds and people and laughing, and unique place to be, like right across from the really nice hotel we're at. Are you using that purple?
Yeah, I'm using lomography purple, which they've shifted the emulsion, so anything that's green should show up as a purple tone.
If you're listening close and you're opening your mind, you can kind of reminisce and hear the sounds of people playing. One of my favorite rides at like sort of carnival theme parks like this are the bumper boats. Did anybody ever ride these guys on the log ride? Right now, I think we would be up to waist deep in water. I've never heard them actually make the noise.